So question 3, an electron of H atom D exits from energy level m1 equals to 2 to h2 equals to 1, n2 equals to 1, and the emitted photon is incident on the He plus ion in ground state and first excited state. Which of the following transition is possible? So let's see the solution. So this is the formula, that is for the electron for the H atom, that is 13.6 upon 1 upon 1 square for n equals to 1, that will be 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 1 2 square, so that we will get the 10.2 electron volt. So by putting the value of for He plus ions He plus ions in n equals to 2, we'll get the 10.2 electron volt equals to 13.6 into 4 upon 1 by 2 square minus 1 upon n square. So from here we'll get the value of n, that is 4. So we'll get the value from n equals to 2 to n equals to 4, that is option B. We'll get the n equals to 4.